Hello, I'm Sean with Vic Bailey Lincoln in Spartanburg, South Carolina, introducing the all-new 2020 Lincoln Aviator Grand Touring. It is a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle which allows for great gas mileage, excellent ride, and beautiful stylings. Lincoln signature lighting. You got your turn signal indicator here. Your fog lights are down here, as you can see. You got your active grille shutters. Beautiful front fascia. And this is how you charge it. Simply open this door right here, and it opens up a compartment where you stick the charging cable. All you have to do is put your hand back here, pull the handle inside, and it opens up right up for you. It's got the soft close doors, so if you forget to close your door all the way, it'll close it for you. Lincoln's signature across the back. It does have the foot activated lift gate. With a simple swipe of a foot, it opens the tailgate for you. Look at all this room in the back. And inside this, you do have your charging cable right here. Power folding third row seats. Simply press a button and they fold down for you. And as you can tell back here, there's a ton of leg room for your guests or children. You have an armrest built in. Also a sunshade. Keep little kiddos cool, or clients. Back here you do have your USB power supplies here, and you do have a 110 volt power supply as well. And this vehicle does have a panoramic vista roof, which allows not only the front passengers to have a view of outside, it allows the rear passengers to have a view outside as well. And those sounds, that the chimes that are playing, are played by the Detroit Symphony Orchestra. Waiting for the screen to load. You have your driver assistance settings underneath this button right here. You go into your additional settings. And this vehicle does have your adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, pre-collision, speed sign recognition, blind spot monitoring, cross traffic alert, reverse brake assist, auto hold that allows you to keep your foot off the brake when stopped at a red light or in Starbucks parking. That's when I use it the most. Gotta get my coffee in the morning. Simply press this button right here, and you get a front view as well as a 360-degree view camera. Press this button and it gives you multiple views. This is full front, and this will be a grid view of the front. Press the camera button again and it goes away. This is your active park assist, so if you're uncomfortable parallel parking, it'll aid you in parallel parking. This vehicle also does have your 30-way seats with massaging. It is heated and ventilated. Also, the second row is heated and ventilated as well. With this having the plug-in hybrid, you do have your charge settings right here. It'll tell how long it takes to get a full charge there. Navigation screen here. Pressing your power flow, it shows where the power is coming from. Since we're idling, it's going to be using nothing but the hybrid battery right now. And depending on the way you drive it, it's either going to be using hybrid, a combination of both electric and gas. For more power, you can be using only gas. More city driving, you're going to be using mostly the hybrid. To turn on the dome light, all you have to do is simply put your finger right here and it comes on. Press right there and it turns off. Here are your controls for the heated and ventilated seats for the second row. Pressing the home button, you can hit climate to do the temperature settings for the second and third row. Going back, you can do audio, turn up the volume. If you want to give people access back here, you can. Also settings to do a calm screen, which gives you that. Display off and brightness. Also mode would be like day and night. Alright, and this vehicle does have dynamic handling package, which allows the vehicle to raise and lower depending on speed, entry level, showroom height. That is the power of the Revel Audio 28 speakers in this vehicle.